Okay, here in brushes, you click here, you click right here. These are the tools that there are different types of brushes. There's a pen, there are two pens and markers here. There's a pen here, there's marker, this is a pencil. You can see it draws superly. This is an eraser, this is a crayon, this is a paint bucket, fill. This is a spray can. You can see how that works. You can see the color coming in small. Yeah, and when we click on the eraser, we can clean that. You can clean it with the eraser or press the undo button. The undo button is here, up here, and the redo button is right here. Next here, we have 2D shapes. These are the line and the curl. You can see that there's 3 curls, there's 4 and there's 5 point curls. These are the 2D shapes that there's circle, oval, square, rounded square, triangle, octagon, star, red, X, and different types of shapes. Different types of shapes here. Then the 3D shape that there are 3D boxes. As you can see, as I'm studying this, there. You can see the box. We don't need that right now. Yeah, there's a fish, there's a human being here. If you want to use it, you can color the human being. And there's a lady here, and there's a girl with and there's a dog, cat, fish, trapezum, and other 3D shapes. You can others here. Do we have stickers? You can go here for emojis. Can bring there's sunglasses, there's eyes, there's so on. You can see that. You can see this. And you can see that. You can click here now. You have to do the same thing for here. You can make another eye right here.
Oh boy.
Onto that, you could even give you another eye if you don't want that one. There's different too. Okay.
I know you're making up the truth. Why can't I go before I lose my cool? I love you even if it's difficult.
Okay, and here is the text where you can type stuff, where you can type what you want to type.
I'm just not good at showing
Hardy.
Give me a break.
You can type stuff. That's also make it bold if you want. Effects, count effects, just to effect the light, the paper, as you can see that. Okay, we don't need that right now. Anyways, that's all for now. Thank you for listening.